Good evening. Guy here, if you've been following my other two videos. This is going to be part 3 of the late fall adventure series, which was covered in one day. We went out this morning, then we went out this afternoon after lunch, and now we've gone out this evening, and it's about 8 o'clock or 8:30, I believe. 8:30. And she's pitch black for a couple hours. We just had a magnificent friggin' meal. Steaks, sausage, Dean made his bacon explosion, which is bacon wrapped in sausage wrapped in bacon, and we're gonna have a heart attack on the trail here pretty soon. As you can see, Dean's leading the way with those awesome aerials. I love those things. Man, they look cool going through the woods at night. Maybe I'll do a little product promotion for them on this video. I'll get the name of them from Dean and maybe the website. And yeah, those things are awesome. I might have to get one, I think. Bright orange one or something. That'd look cool. Actually, that'd be a good idea for hunting season too. So I really don't know how much you guys can see, because I can't see. Not only is it raining and pitch black, there's a spray of mud coming off of his tires right on my glasses, right on the lens of this camera. So we just follow the two green whips. That's about all you can do. I don't know how much night running you guys do at all, but I gotta say, these two LED floodlights that I put on this bike are working incredible. I love them. These are just generic LED floodlights too. I got these at parts for trucks. They're like 40 bucks a piece or something like that. And very easy install. It's a clean install where I got them. They're not exposed to too much crap when they're down, you know, close to the bumper or something like that. But yeah, for only having 3 LEDs, each 6 in total, these things are lighting up the trail real nice. Nice bright white light. I don't know what it's going to be like in snow, probably a little bit blinding, but we'll see anyway. I haven't been out in a good night run in a while, actually a long time. You guys probably can't see crap right now. I don't even know. Those whips make everything glow green behind them. Like I said, from the other end, it must look like an alien coming at you. It's not raining very hard, but it's steady. Steady. Everything looks different at night. Not to mention, I can't see because of the steam. It's one thing about night running. You could do all the same trails during the day, get bored with them. Nothing's ever the same at night. Yeah, I agree with that statement. 4-wheel drive low. Just crawling, man. That's what you want to do. Don't bust anything up. especially at night. Trying to keep the camera clean, but I'm probably just making it more worse with the dirty glove. For all I know, you guys will be looking at 2 red squares and about 2 green rectangles. Everything look all pixelated because it's wet. Quite the rock. One hell of a trail to do at night. Challenging though, I like the challenge. Might have been on this same trail today, I don't know. This chopping kind of looks familiar. And again, this sheep looks just like this sheep. So I have no idea. Yeah, I think this is part of the 4. We might have been out this way earlier. I think it's the first time we were out this morning. Whips are doing their job, whipping. hard in the face. Yeah, so we totally messed up. We got on the wrong trail. It's starting to rain really hard again. So we're just gonna book her for home. We're not that far.
Come join me, son.